Welcome to Calculus. Since we are unable to meet in person this week, I wanted to take a few minutes and make sure that you have the information that you need in order to proceed with the rest of this week and early next week, particularly if you are a B student and don't have in-person class until next Thursday. If you have questions this week, please reach out, send me an email or a message in Canvas, or another option would be to join the Zoom session this Friday. My office hours for second hour calculus are 9 to 9:25 and for third hour 9:30 to 9:55. You can join that, and remember that is optional this week, by going to the calculus course and then clicking on Braxmeyer Zoom at that particular time, and you'll be invited into the session. Also, on the Canvas page, you should notice there's already been one announcement. I listed out what Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday look like this week. If you scroll down, you'll see the buttons down here. If you need to send me a message, then click Contact Teacher. If you check the syllabus, one of the things that I'm asking you to do this week is read the syllabus. I will leave you to do that on your own. Embedded within the syllabus is the course pacing guide, and if you check out week 1, you'll see that we are just going over policies and completing one short task. You are currently watching the orientation video, and you can review the syllabus when you finish watching this video. You'll complete one task for me, and then make sure that you have the materials that you need in order to begin instruction next Monday. I have copies of the packet for you in my classroom. If you are an A group student, I can give that to you on Monday. If you are a B group student and you want to pick up a packet while you're at school on Thursday, please stop by my room. I am in E208. It will also be available to print and download from home, but I do have copies made for every student if you want to grab one. Everything else in the syllabus we'll talk about more when we are in person, but feel free to read over the information at your leisure. Let's return to the home page. And primarily, you're going to be in coursework. Each module outlines what is going to happen for that week. We are in this short 3-day week right now. We have already looked at the course syllabus and pacing guide a little bit, but that same thing is linked right here. Your one task of a bit of homework for the week is the Calculus Student Information Form. When you are finished with this video or at some other time when you are free, complete the Calculus Student Information Form. There are 10 questions that you're going to answer. Should take you just a few minutes. So complete those things before the end of this week, and then on Monday, we will get started with official content. The Unit 1 packet can be downloaded here or picked up from me, like I said. If you take a look at the packet, you will see that it is organized into lessons. So lesson 1 will take place over the August 31st to September 1st dates, and this is the encouraged pace for the class. I will have a presentation available for you, whether it is in class or remote, that will walk you through the notes and learning activities that go along with page 1 and 2. 1, 2 are the notes, and page 3 would have the corresponding practice questions. Continuing into page 4, hopefully some of these things will look a little bit familiar from the end of your last math class. And if you notice at the end of page 4, it says the end of lesson 1. Moving on, it'll say lesson 2. I would encourage you to do that on September 2nd. And again, it will outline what the notes are, where the practice is, and where the end of lesson 2 is. Let's go back to the modules. And if you also notice, it says lesson 1. That's what you will open up. It is not quite finished yet, so I'm going to unpublish that after I finish this video. But you will open that up and it will be a set of slides that walk you through the different activities and questions and notes, anything that relates to that particular piece. This can be done in person or remotely. If we're in class, we'll probably do more of it together. But if you are a student that is at home on Monday and Tuesday, then you should still complete that lesson, and then you will use your class time to ask me questions and get more help on anything that you needed. Or we can always use the Wednesday office hours to take care of questions from anyone. Lesson 2 and 3 would also be posted as they are finished. They will always be ready by the date that's listed in the packet, and sometimes even sooner if you want to get ahead. You will also notice, if you take a look at the homepage again, there is a calendar that will remind you of things that are due that probably also show up on your to-do list. If you click on Canvas Help, is kind of universal for all students if you have questions just about Canvas in general. Resources, these are specific to this course. So I will be posting different enrichment and support pieces for Unit 1. If there's a particular topic that you feel like you need some more work on, it will be listed here. Likewise, if there's a topic that you want to do a little bit more with, or you have run out of things to do and still need to document a bit more time, you could find some things that either support or enrich your learning in Unit 1. Like I said, the Zoom link is over here for any time that you want to join the office hours. Use that. What else? I think I've covered most things that you would have questions about. Again, click the contact teacher if you want to send me a message or have any questions, or feel free to join the Zoom session. I will assume that all of you are ready to go and will be able to find the lesson and access the Unit 1 packet beginning Monday, August 31st. And if not, please contact me and we will make arrangements to make sure that you have the resources. I appreciate you listening to the orientation video. I wish that we could chat in person, but we will have to wait till next week for that. And I look forward to reading your responses on the Calculus Student Information Form. I'll see you soon.